Yeah, my biggest fear going into this process is definitely not getting the shade that I want and potentially, I don't know, damaging my hair or something like that from over processing. My hair does seem like it's already like this a color already. Oh my god, I love that if that's real, but when I look in the mirror it doesn't look as bright, so I'm thinking it might be the lens that's exaggerating the color. I definitely see it much lighter, but not as light as it looks in the camera. Okay, let's first do a pan. Okay, so the color is ready, but I have to section my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna loosely do it this way. I might not show you guys the whole process because it's just a typical color process. I'll come back once I fully do it. And if you're coloring your hair, just make sure you put as much stuff on the floors. Like in our case, Morgan just did our washroom, our bathroom, and I just don't want to ruin the floor before we've even enjoyed it. I hope this works out. I will come back on once I am ready to rinse. So I'm about to wash this alleged hair color out, but as you can see, nothing has happened. I'm kind of mad about this because I don't even know what this is meant to be. Seriously. I don't know what to say. Another color fail, guys. What is this? I actually think I should have just left it as it was right after the color oops. I feel mad that I put my hair through this trauma for no result, you know? Like, I think that's the most frustrating thing. When you color treat your hair, it dries your hair out, potentially can cause breakage, mess up with your process of micro-locking, of locking. I guess I'm just upset that I just went through yet another color process only to get no results, but the stripping of my healthy hair has already happened because of this. Tell me what to do, because I really want like a coppery color, brown auburn sort of color that shows that I actually have that color versus like squinting. This ain't it at all, so I'm not very happy about that. But I'm just gonna end this video now. I will continue to like treat my hair like in terms of using the Affinity thing. I might actually use the Affinity like liquid treatment thing because my hair has clearly gone through a lot today. It looks fine. I didn't experience any shedding after this color, but I definitely need to moisturize and just keep it nice and attended to, if that makes sense. But I will end this video now. Yet another epic fail of a hair color or box dye. So maybe, perhaps, I need to do the whole developer thing, but I need guidance on it, so I might research, and if you have any ideas, please just let me know. Hopefully I'll figure out the color situation. I was hoping to get into this new year with a new color. I still have hope, but I'm probably gonna try again in February or something like that. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and thumbs up the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!